those are for my cat. So those are 2 mats, and I think it'd be very useful with cat toilets because it's a little bit of messy. I really hope it would help. It also had this sticker on it. Okay, and the next 2 things are candles. Little one. Little kitty. Do you like it? It came to me to watch what I'm doing, and it has a plastic cap on top. So I'm going to remove it. Make round. Another sticker. That's how to use it, I guess. Can't remove it. So this is the first, and I also bought a bigger one. Oh, this candle is minute. And this is a candle. Oh. Doesn't say anything about the candle, but the smell is sweet. It had to be some spring, I think, but it's sweet, a little bit like a sop or like a candy which is like a sop, but it's actually really nice. I think it would be smell better then I light it up. And the second one is with a tree smell. So it's seeing a good visual with that. That's because I did it. But if not, I'm sorry, I'm not good at that yet. So, I see you guys in my next video. I hope you'll be waiting. So,